Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Queendashe, also known as Kiana, and in this video we have something really quick. I am just going to straighten up my kitchen and the rest of my downstairs a little bit, and then we are going to move into a whole bunch of laundry motivation. So we found these gray cups over at Walmart, and they were about 50 cents a piece. So it was a good steal. We got about 4 of the big ones and 4 of the small ones.
What we had was a bliss, but it's fallen to bits. All in this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. My heart can't take it any longer. This careless love is getting old. Let's face it, we're not getting younger. If all is said and done, it's time we let it go. Oh, this is hard to admit. I don't long for your kiss, and I know you don't care. What we had was a bliss, but it's fallen to bits. All in this is it. Our time is up. We both knew it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. So much for this love.
I decided to just fix up under my cabinet, but you'll see a little bit and later on in this video that was kind of pointless. So yeah.
Our time is up. We both know it shouldn't have to hurt this much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. Time to give up. Maybe we just wanted it to hurt too much. I don't want it to see it, but we lost touch. So much for this love. Time to give it up. So much for this love. Wanted it too much.
I decided to try to clean under the faucet, the spigot thing. I don't know what that is, but I tried to clean under it. My husband told me it twisted off, and apparently it really doesn't. So I really just broke it, but it kind of needed clean anyway. It was so gross, and I kept smelling like this nasty smell coming out of my sink, and I really thought that it was my garbage disposal, so I kept cleaning it, and it wasn't. So it wasn't like going away, so I did end up actually breaking that, but it's fine. My husband later on fixed it.
Would you like my way, find my way home again? My home is you. 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 My home is you.
I'm quickly just making the kids lunch, well, dinner, and they're just having some hot dogs and french fries. And then afterwards, I will get back to cleaning.
Oh my, mommy, you made a permanent home in my head. You moving like a goddess, come my way, my way, my way. Your hips on the move, only a real one can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn, shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down, long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So me say, hey, pack up a bago, I'm pulling up on you. Let me show you my world. She told me that I make her feel alive.
Now that we are upstairs, I hope you guys are ready for all of the laundry motivation. I won't be speaking too much during this part, but please be ready for a whole bunch of laundry motivation if you need it to get this laundry done, because I sure enough did. But I am just going to quickly fold up my kids' stuff because they are getting ready for bed, and I wanted to have all of their stuff folded and put in their room before they went to sleep.
Quiero con vino limón, no sé. Tu cuerpo es un carnaval, yeah. Tus ojos trascendental, y tu espíritu natural. Me enamora con besos en el piñal, yeah. De África al tropical, nuestro amor es transnacional. Lo que tenemos presidencial, aquí la vista es
Told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. Can't wait to show you off. Come out, I'm pulling up. Come out, I'm pulling up, yeah.
Oh ma, lo que tengo contigo ma. Esto está fijo ma.
She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my. She told me that I make her feel alive. I can see the goodness in your eyes. We can take a trip, just you and I. You got it. person who is sentimental, but this thing is making me soft, giving into my damn heart.
Okay guys, so we are reaching the end of this video. I am just going to put the rest of this laundry away and then vacuum up my room. So I hope you guys got some really good laundry motivation, and please come back for some more cleaning motivation. If you are not subscribed, please really consider subscribing, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.